There's a central change that Revain desires to achieve, or so they thought. It is the world's most memorable fair-minded criticism stage. What separates itself from every other person in the crypto market is that it is the main stage in light of blockchain innovation, basically making it decentralized, empowering it to be fair on all fronts. How about we take a gander at what Revain is and what it desires to essentially achieve as far as Revain cost expectation for the impending years. Today, an organization's standing depends primarily on client surveys, and this input helps other people settle on the ideal choices while managing any administration. Many organizations explicitly oversee other organizations' notoriety, and the people who oversee surveys for other organizations' administrations can change client audits or erase them. The Momentum research shows that between 20 to 60% of all internet-based audits are phony. One certain survey carries 4 new clients to a business, while one negative audit dissuades 11 clients in an unobtrusive manner. This brings the issue of survey predisposition, where organizations overseeing audits for different organizations might be undermined by removing attaches with them, basically bringing about a deficiency of income for organizations. Revain has fabricated a blockchain-based engineering where surveys can't be modified or erased. Clients are limited to 5 audits each day. This guarantees that the chance of organizations attempting to modify their positive audits or make negative surveys for contenders doesn't occur, as it isn't compelling while managing mass enrollments of clients, in spite of mainstream thinking. This channels each phony survey empowers organizations to get fair-minded audits while maintaining their business, and recoveries them from overspending to make an exceptionally certain brand picture utilizing promoting strategies. Genuine purchasers who compose surveys get benefits. Each survey on Revain goes through a 2-step confirmation process. One purpose is man-made brainpower, and different purposes the manual strategy. Negative surveys can be available to debate, which is available to the exceptionally open. The surveys are hashed and put away in the blockchain, ensuring credibility and progression. Revain can be utilized in pretty much every business case, whether internet business, FMCG, booking, or gaming. Revain Principal Investigation. Revain Digital Currency expects to arrange and compensate client input on items and administrations utilizing blockchain as its center innovation. The actual business holds a lot of potential. However, it is challenging to foresee the symbolic's future at the ongoing business sector costs of the FireUp token. Revain offers 2 local digital currencies that are intended to propel its clients to compose certified input. The RVN is a dollar fixed stablecoin used to remunerate and punish purchasers and organizations in the survey cycle. The FireUp is a utility token utilized by organizations to support surveys and give a vehicle to clients to fundamentally pull out RVN tokens to crypto trade. Given that before very long, assuming development is seen in the utilization of the Revain stage as a survey accounting for organizations and administrations, the probability of Revain as a business will be perfect. In any case, the equivalent can't be said for the FireUp token. There truly is to an extreme degree a lot of that it is as yet hard to foresee where the symbolic cost of Revain is going. It will be insightful to really watch the cryptographic money market changes and conclude whether the FireUp symbolic will be somewhat great as an exchanging resource. Revain Specialized Investigation. The ongoing business sector cap of FireUp is close $99,350,433 with a coursing supply of 85,061,485,690 FireUp. The market cap changes with the cost change. The ongoing cost of the FireUp tokens isn't just great, with numerous examiners anticipating that the computerized coins are unacceptable for buy and large momentary hold. Most opinion pointers propose selling the FireUp coins at the ongoing cost. Yet, nobody can fault the experts for thinking, so it is an especially decent choice for brokers to participate in every practical sense. Current economic situation. There isn't sufficient premium in the ongoing economic situation to legitimize taking a long position. Taking a gander at the moving typical combination disparity and RSI all-time outline, Revain showed an enormous flood in value last May, bringing about its record-breaking high. This cost high explicitly was not kept up with, as it before long crashed. In the event that you are searching for virtual monetary standards with great returns, FireUp can generally be a terrible, high-risk one-year speculation choice incredibly. As per the Revain cost conjecture, the greatest worth of Revain cost is supposed to explicitly reach $0 the current year's over. The FireUp cost conjecture explicitly depends on verifiable information joined with prescient information displaying calculation. If it's not too much trouble, note that this forecast ought to just be deciphered as an idea. It, in every practical sense, is difficult to impeccably anticipate the costs of anything. In any case, here is our information. Likewise, these basically are simply Revain cost expectations and could shift as per different elements. The cost of Revain FireUp arrived at a typical exchanging cost of 2 cents somewhat recently. The fire up most extreme and least cost levels were 1 cent and 2 cents individually. Revain Value Expectation 2022. According to the Revain figure and our own exploration, the cost of Revain truly is anticipated to arrive at the very least value worth of $0. The Revain cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0, and the genuinely normal cost all through the year will be around $0. Revain Value Expectation 2023. The cost of Revain fire up figures to arrive at any rate cost of $0, with a most extreme cost of $0 the year 2023. The typical exchanging cost all through the year is supposed to be close $0. Revain Value Forecast 2024. According to the information forecast models and specialized investigation, the base value level of Revain fire up will be $0. The most extreme cost will be $0, with a typical exchanging cost of around $0 through 2024. Revain Value Expectation 2025. As indicated by the specialized examination and cost expectations for the year 2025, the base cost of Revain fire up will be $0, and the greatest value level will for the most part be $0. The typical cost will be $0 2025. Revain Fire Up Value Expectation 2026. In light of the Revain gauge and specialized examination, it is anticipated that the base cost of Revain is supposed to be $0, and the greatest cost will be $0, keeping up with the typical cost of $0 2026. Is Fire Up coin a wise interest in a significant manner? The ongoing circumstances don't give an obvious sign of that. The actual business has an extraordinary potential to be a productive speculation vehicle. Yet checking the eventual fate of the Fire Up token is difficult. It explicitly is encouraged to the financial backers to keep refreshed with the advancements that are happening in the group. The circumstances could happen later on that impact the manner in which it works and make it a wise speculation vehicle to purchase Revain or sell Revain with a decent return. Will Revain cost go up? According to the cost forecasts, it is expected that the cost of Revain digital currency will reach $0 a year's time and move to $0 the following 5 years. Subsequently, the eventual fate of Revain is brilliant according to our Revain crypto cost forecast. Will Revain coin reach $1? In view of the new cost fall and our cost figure, Fire Up cost could not most certainly have the option to reach $1 before this decade's over. Thus, venture by then isn't fitting as it won't create a gain. Will Revain cost drop? As per the Revain figure and the new cost development, the Revain value fall may go on for the close to term in an unobtrusive manner. Likewise, your ongoing venture might be in a real sense cheapened in the event that the cost drop is maintained.